Princeton, you're done with yours. You want more? Oh, okay, wow. Here, my plate's right here. You can have it.
Lick it, boy.
So yeah, when we're in the mood for corn asada fries, we go to Debertos because they usually put a lot of shrimp on there for us, and it's pretty good. And I like their hot sauce, but their hot sauce this time was too hot. Like they recently changed it. How's yours, Percy?
It's good.
That's good. I'm full. That's why I let him have mine. But yeah, this taco shop is Debertos off of Mission in Oceanside, California. If you guys are ever in town and you're looking for a taco shop and you're craving Mexican food,
this is the place to go, okay?
well, one of the places. But if you're like off of Mission, you're super hungry and you're looking for a taco shop, Debertos is pretty cool. What would you rate them, Percy?
10,000 out of 2,000.
Oh, that's pretty high. So you guys get the point. They're pretty good. Princeton, you okay over there?
Oh yeah, you put hot sauce on it.
Yeah, see, I told you guys the hot sauce. I like hot sauce, but it was a little too hot.
A little too hot? Oh. I probably always like that. Well, more like that. Usually when there's hot sauce in there, you eat it, you just like, ah! But now you're like, ah! That's when I eat turkey.
Yeah. Princeton, what do you rate your corn asada fries?
Any number. 25 and 100.
2,500? Well, you guys heard it, folks. Debertos is pretty good. They're not bad. So if you're in the area and you want Mexican food, roll over that way. And I'll take care of you. But make sure you have water, right, Princeton?
Lots.
If you eat hot sauce. If you're a hot sauce eater.
Please stay safe. That's my mom.
Make sure you stay hydrated.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Why are you licking the plate? You're done.
I know, he wants to walk on over there. Look at that. Look at the plate.
Excuse you. Where's your manners?
Excuse me. Yeah, he's weird.
Yeah, so this is like a meal that we like to get because it's enough for us three to share on nights like this when, you know, I'm not in the mood to cook dinner and it's just something quick and we always agree to it because we all three of us like it. Go ahead, Purse.
I'm gonna say, they have more than just this. If you guys want, you can get burritos, tortillas. There's also different tacos. Yeah, they're good. Go check it out. And do they have shakes there? Or no?
No, they're a taco shop. Well, they have like, of course, taco shops. Their like drinks are like horchata and those good drinks, but
Mercy.
have mercy. All right, guys.
See you in the next video. Cut. Bye.